So we have discussed about the energy profile diagram of exothermic reaction and endothermic reaction. Next we will discuss about Arrhenius equation. Arrhenius equation. So what is Arrhenius equation? It is an equation which relates the rate constant K with activation energy and temperature. Rate constant K with activation energy and temperature. So how can we correlate the rate constant K with EA, activation energy and temperature? That is called Arrhenius equation. So Arrhenius equation K equal to K into e to the power minus EA by RT. A equal to K e to the power minus EA by RT. So what is K? K equal to rate constant EA equal to activation energy R equal to universal gas constant R equal to universal gas constant T equal to temperature A equal to frequency factor. So Arrhenius equation is a relationship between the rate constant K with the activation energy EA, gas constant R and temperature T. So Arrhenius equation, from Arrhenius equation you can predict the variation in temperature with your rate constant. And also from Arrhenius equation we can calculate the activation energy EA if K is known, R is known, T is known, R is the gas constant, is value fixed, T is known. Okay. Then we will derive the final form of Arrhenius equation. Okay. If K equal to A into e to the power minus A by RT, so for this is equation 1, then ln K equal to A into this means ln A plus ln e to the power minus A by RT. A into B means no. ln A B is there. Then ln of AB equal to ln of A plus ln of B. So ln e to the power minus A by RT equal to answer will be ln A minus EA by RT. ln A minus EA by RT. So this is equation. So ln K equal to ln A minus EA by RT. This is the ln long form of the equation. You take two temperature condition, T1, so we will get ln K1. Temperature T2, we will get ln K2 at constant activation energy. So taking two conditions, taking two conditions, ln K1 equal to ln A minus EA by RT1, because this value is fixed. Keeping EA constant, value of R is fixed. So T1, and variation of temperature with rate constant, T1 and K1, and T2 and K2. ln K2 equal to ln A minus EA by R T2. ln K2 by ln A minus EA by R T2. That implies, suppose this is equation 3, this is equation 4. There are two equations. Equation 3 and equation 4. Then ln K2 minus ln K1. ln K2 minus ln K1 equal to, we subtract this. Then ln will cancel, minus EA by R2 minus of minus EA by RT1. That implies ln K2 by K1 equal to minus plus, that is EA by RT1 minus EA by RT2. EA by RT1 minus EA by RT2. That implies ln K2 by K1 equal to EA by R common 1 by T1 minus 1 by T2. That implies ln K2 by K1 equal to EA by R T2 minus T1 by T1 into T2. That implies ln K2 by K1 equal to EA by R T2 minus T1 by T1 into T2. This is the final form of equation which correlate the rate constant K with temperature are two different conditions of temperature and two different conditions of rate constant. If temperature T1 is changed from T2, so rate constant K1 is changed from K1 to K2. So we can write ln K2 by K1 equal to EA by R T2 minus T1 by T1 into T2. This is the final form of equation. So, how can I explain graphically, or how can prove graphically the Arrhenius equation? Okay. We know ln K equal to ln A minus EA by RT. If you convert ln into log, then you know ln equal to 2.303 log. So in place of ln you put 2.303 log. Then 2.303 log K equal to 2.303 or that implies log k equal to log a minus divide this 2.303 2.303 2.303 log k equal log a minus ea by 2.303 RT. Then log k equal to log a minus ea by 2.303 RT is our final equation. Taking this equation, we have to plot a graph between log k and 1 by t. Taking this equation, if you draw a plot between log k and 1 by t, what will be the result? यदि हमें log k और 1 by t की तरह प्लॉट करिबा ताले हमर रिजल्ट कोन आसी? Suppose this is log k. In this side, if you take 1 by t, log k and 1 by t. Suppose this is y, this is mx. You know, if for equation of a straight line, y equal to mx plus c. This is a two variables are there. One is y and other is x. Then m is the slope and c is the constant. If log k is one variable and 1 by t is the other variable, then the constant is c. In this case, c is log a, and slope will be minus ea by 2.303 r. So plot will be this time. This is your log a, log 1 by t, and slope equal to minus ea by 2.303 r. ताने हमर log k सहित हम 1 by t रो प्लॉट करबा तो y सहित हम यदि x रो प्लॉट करबा स्लोप होची m यदि log k सहित हम 1 by t रो प्लॉट करबा स्लोप आसीबो माइनस a by 2.303 r और c कांस्टेंट जाय हम लिखबा log a एही भाषा होची log a और log k सहित हम 1 by t रो प्लॉट कले स्ट्रेट लाइन पाइबा और स्लोप पाइबा माइनस ea by 2.303 by ea by 2.303 r. Variable data गोटे होची log k गोटे 1 by 2. It is variable y और x. It variable होची log k और 1 by 2. स्लोप आसो m जाले को लिखला minus ea by 2.303 r. और गोटे कांस्टेंट आसीबो log a. Okay, so this is about Arrhenius equation. Next class we will solve some numerical in Arrhenius equation. Okay.